Hello everyone, welcome back to STEM with Chantel. Today we are going to do something very cool. We're going to start our ukulele lessons with Sandra.
Another song you're going to know is called Down in the Valley. And we're just going to look through these tabs. It's the same thing. G, C, E, A. And up here, if someone wanted to play the piano along with you, they could. But I wanted to show you something else on this particular tab. Up at the top, it's showing you the chords of the song. So if you were actually going to play Down in the Valley and sing along, it starts with C. Down in the valley, and it's a waltz drum. This is what makes this cool. If you are with a partner, if someone is with you taking these lessons, and one person is playing the chords and another person is playing the tabs, then you've got something that's really cool, because you can be doing like that while they're playing, and it would be accompanying your solo playing, which is a lot of fun if you've got several people that are playing the uke. So this is Down the Valley. I wanted to point out to you the A string. And the A string gets heavy use in this particular song. And what you're going to be doing a lot of times is sliding, because it's going from a 3 to a 5 to a 7. And then later on it goes to an 8. So when you're playing this song, use your pinky mostly for the A string. Then slide. See, I'm just sliding it up and down. That's the easiest way. And then use your other fingers for the other chords. So that's Down in the Valley, and it's one that you can take home and play.
Thanks for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it and want to know when JCPL puts out more content, click the subscribe button and a notification bell. We have something for everyone on our channel, so be sure to check out the other programs we offer.